So the Ocean Resort and Casino in Atlantic City was rebranded just a few years ago. And today, we're going to review it. Walking into the hotel from the Atlantic City boardwalk and riding the escalators to the casino floor gives me flashbacks of a Revel, a hotel and casino that stood here before the ocean and closed its doors only after 4 years of operations. It served as a shell to the $175 million renovation and rebranding that gave birth to the Ocean Resort and Casino. Which offers 138,000 square feet of gaming entertainment, including slot machines, roulettes, blackjack, and other games. The book, located dead center of the enormous casino floor, offers sports betting, which is first of its kind for Atlantic City. Now, if gambling isn't quite your speed, you could take a dip in the property's indoor or outdoor pools and lounge in the cabanas. Alternatively, enjoy the nightclub, the spa, or Topgolf Swing Suite, which is a virtual putting green. Or you can enjoy a live show at the Ovation Hall, which seats close to 5,500 people. It's a beautiful arena venue. Now, pro tip is, do make sure that you join the loyalty program because it offers a whole bunch of rewards, including free parking. Now let's talk about rooms. They were spacious and beautifully decorated, blacks, whites, and grays, and lots of geometrical patterns. Every one of the 1,399 rooms boasts floor-to-ceiling windows providing stunning views of Atlantic Ocean and Atlantic City skyline depending on what side you're on. North-facing rooms provide views of the ocean and the nearby Brigantine, while the opposite will provide you stunning views of the boardwalk with the lights, the sky wheel, and all of that action. Make sure to state your preference of whether you want the north side or the other while checking in. Now, in-room amenities include walk-in showers, pillow-top mattresses, coffee makers, mini fridges, complimentary Wi-Fi access, touchscreen lighting, and privacy controls. The showers are great. Both showers, toilet, and sink are split into 3 separate areas. It's a really great design for the bathroom. The bed was also fantastic, very comfortable. The room was clean and smelled great. I give it a 10 out of 10. Now when it's time to eat, you can dine at more than 16 venues ranging from casual fare to fine dining. Upscale dining at the Ocean consists of Amada, which is an extension of the Philadelphia Tapas restaurant owned by Chef Jose Garces, an American-cut steakhouse, and a modern Italian place called Dolce Mare. I will be reviewing each one of these restaurants very soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when those videos come out. Now, if you're looking for something more cheap and casual, Ocean offers lots of different places for that type of stuff. Wahlburgers, which is owned by Mark, Paul, and Donnie Wahlberg. There's a street taco truck called Distiro that provides a whole bunch of, well, tacos and other Mexican cuisine, and an entire street of shops that offers bagels, sandwiches, salads, ice cream, and so much more. A typical brunch locale called Harper's, that's where we had breakfast, and the Zengbang noodle and sushi. Two other noteworthy places to check out for food and drink: Villain and Saint, which is a beer and live music bar near the back of the casino floor. Very reasonable prices and full of fantastically curated draft and bottled beers, as well as wine if you're into that sort of thing. Another must-try is Cafecino. Now, Cafecino is open 24 hours a day, and it's a little cafe shop that sits right there in the lobby where you check in. It offers a whole bunch of stuff: coffee, ice cream, sandwiches, so many different desserts. You'll have a hard time picking only one thing from here, and it all looks very good. I tried several different things from here. This scored consistently a 7 out of 10 at worst, so it's definitely a great place to find a quick snack, especially late at night. Ultimately, the Ocean Resort and Casino is a fantastic place that provides top-tier eat, play, and stay entertainment. You will definitely not be disappointed if you stay here. It's somewhere on the same level as the Borgata and other high-end hotels in Atlantic City. In fact, I'll actually be making tons of videos reviewing the Ocean to all of the other top-tier hotels. So like I said, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.